Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how you can download Affinity by Canva on your Windows PC or laptop. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So it's very easy and simple. What you need to do is go ahead and open up your web browser, and what you need to do is type in Affinity download. Once you press on this, right over here, you'll see the option of free download options. Go ahead and press on the link. And right over here, you'll see two options for your Mac OS and Windows. Obviously, we're doing Windows, but if you're on Mac, just go ahead and press on the option of download for Mac, but we're in Windows. Here we go. Now you'll see some options. Don't get confused. It just depends on your uh, uh CPU. So if you're an Intel slash AMD, if you got a AMD CPU or Intel CPU, just go ahead and do that. But if you got like Windows ARM or Enterprise, it just depends. Go ahead and choose that, whatever you got. So I'm on Windows Intel AMD. So here, as you can see, it's downloading for me right now. Once this is downloaded, you could just simply install it afterwards. So yeah, this is pretty basic and simple. I hope this truly helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.